This is 7 National News, and in our top story, His Majesty King Mohammed VI of Morocco has praised the UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, on the UAE's $5 billion contribution to the GCC grant to support the socio-economic development in Morocco. The King of Morocco also thanked the leaders of the GCC states for their financial support. He then expressed hope about a new Moroccan system that will help the 5 countries build a joint future based on integration, free movement of people and properties. The UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has pledged to offer clothing to an additional 1.5 million underprivileged children, raising the total number of beneficiaries to 3 million, under the humanitarian campaign he launched on the 11th of July to dress 1 million children in need across the world. The initiative concluded on the 19th day of Ramadan, when the UAE marked the Zayed Humanitarian Day, which raised funds to dress 1.5 million children. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed's donation has doubled the number of recipient children to 3 million in more than 25 countries. His Highness praised efforts made by the UAE Red Crescent Authority, which is executing the campaign, and other organisations supporting it. The campaign saw a massive response and success, reaching out to children in need in Bosnia, Albania, Yemen, Lebanon, Egypt, Djibouti, Senegal, Zanzibar, Tanzania, Malawi, Jordan, India and Pakistan, in addition to Syrian refugee children in Jordan and Lebanon. The RCA teams will provide clothes to children in the Philippines, Iraq, Somalia, Ethiopia, Malaysia, Kazakhstan, Thailand and Bangladesh. Federal government offices in the UAE will be closed from Wednesday, August the 7th, corresponding to the 29th day of Ramadan, and will reopen on the 4th day of the month of Shawwal in celebration of Eid Al Fitr. The announcement has been made by the Federal Authority of Human Resources, who stated that Shawwal 4 falls on Sunday, August the 11th, if Eid begins on Thursday, August the 8th. Work for the government will then resume on Monday, August the 12th, if the start of the new lunar month of Shawwal is not confirmed by the 29th day of Ramadan. Dubai has enjoyed its busiest first half year ever this year, attracting over 5.5 million visitors. That's according to the latest figures. The results released by Dubai's Department of Tourism and Commerce Marketing show that the number of guests across all hotel establishments for the period rose from just over 5 million in H1 2012 to nearly 5.6 this year, an 11.1% year-on-year increase. Saudi Arabia, India and the UK were the top 3 tourism source markets. Saudi Arabia experienced the most growth, with visitor numbers swelling by 31.6%, while Australia, ranked 13th, also recorded a sizable growth rate of 24.3%. The Netherlands entered the top 20 source markets for the first time at number 20, with a 17% increase in visitors. Guest nights saw a 13.1% increase for the period to reach over 21.7 million from H1 2012, while total hotel revenue rose 18.6% from 9.78 billion to 11.62 billion for H1 2013. 16 more hotels entered the market, adding 5,484 more rooms, totaling 81,492. Meanwhile, hotel room occupancy rose from 81.8% to 84.6%, while hotel apartment occupancy also rose from 79.3% to 85.8%. In keeping with the spirit of giving during the holy month and coinciding with the Zayed Humanitarian Day, the Isa Saleh Al Ghurg Charity Foundation has donated 1.2 million dirhams to the Dubai Health Authority. Through this, 95 beds will be donated to Dubai Hospital. According to the DHA, the funding will help upgrade the hospital's services and further enhance customer satisfaction. The ESAG Charity Foundation says they pay special attention to the UAE's healthcare sector and aims to support it by providing the means to strengthen and further improve the sector in the UAE wherever they can help. The self-funded foundation does not accept outside contributions and works to support several charitable and welfare initiatives in the healthcare sector.
We thank Al Ghurd Foundation Group for this donation. The bid will be, for the rooms, the patient rooms, and it will be helping the patient and also the nurse or the, for when they're changing the patient and these things. It will be more technology in this kind of bid,
66% of private schools inspected in the capital are required to make improvements if they're going to pass the Abu Dhabi Education Council's inspection. The series of inspections conducted by ADEC revealed that 23 of the private schools in Abu Dhabi are high-performing, while 29 schools currently have a satisfactory educational standard at present. However, 100 private schools in the capital, which represents 66% of the schools, need to make a significant improvement in their educational standards, according to inspectors. The evaluation reports are now available on ADEC's website in an effort to aid parents about facilities and to ensure quality education for students. Inspectors visited more than 10,000 classes in 146 schools over the past 2 years, as well as interviewed pupils and educators. Villa schools, which have been deemed by ADEC as unsafe for pupils' health and safety, were not included in the inspections. The results of the first round of inspections between 2009 and 2011 were only disclosed to the schools to give them a chance to improve their standards. ADEC officials say more than 80 schools responded and improved on the 8-point ranking.
Schools have actually 2 years to show improvement, and that's why 60% of these schools has improved. And PSEQ, which is the private sector and the quality assurance within ADEC, actually they have a school improvement division that take the inspection report and start working with the school in developing their school development plan and provide support and frequent visits for them to improve. And they organize a lot of professional development for these schools, organized specialized training for teachers and for school leadership to improve. Again, this is the core of and the main purpose of our program at ADEC.
Abu Dhabi has witnessed fewer road accidents during the first half of Ramadan this year compared to last year. However, the number of fatalities has gone up, according to the Ministry of Interior. The increase in the number of deaths has been attributed to the severity of accidents as a result of speeding, jumping red lights, lack of concentration, and not following the road rules in general. Statistics by the Traffic Coordination Department at the Ministry revealed that 119 traffic accidents took place this year, compared with 147 incidents during the same period in 2012. Officials also said that minor and moderate injuries went down. However, there have been 28 fatalities recorded this year, compared with last year's 21, and there were 73 collisions recorded during this year's Ramadan, as opposed to last year's 84 within the same period. 24 vehicles overturned during the first 15 days of the holy month, higher than the 19 recorded in the previous year, while run-over accidents have decreased from 41 to 20 this year. And finally, looking to other news now, Sharjah's Ramadan and Eid Fair at the Emirates Expo Centre will host a speech in Tagalog to target the Filipino community this Thursday. As a part of the series, Al Sheikh Isa Jaffa will deliver the lecture in Tagalog, titled Islam is the Way to Deliverance, at 11 p.m. on the 1st of August. The first in the series of lectures was held on July the 25th, when the Ramadan and Eid Fair hosted Zafarul Hassan Madni, who spoke in Urdu about the price of the paradise. Other scholars who are taking part in the series include Al-Sheikh Dr. Mohammed Gaith Al-Gaith in Arabic and Al-Sheikh Ihab Nadir in English. Other attractions at the fair include the Taste of Ramadan Week, Heritage Village, free health checkups, workshops and quiz contests.